Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing fine and you are able to understand what has been explained in previous sessions. Let us just recall the topics what we have discussed in our previous sessions. In the previous session, we discussed about minterms, derivation of Boolean expressions. There are two important types of expressions in Boolean algebra. So one is minterm and the other one is max term. So in the previous session we have been discussing minterms. So minterm is a product of all literals in a logic system. A literal can be any logic variable x, y, z, a, b, whatever you want you can take. So it can be a variable or with a bar or without a bar. When we join multiple minterms, SOP expression is formed. SOP is nothing but sum of products. When we combine minterms, n number of minterms, that forms a SOP expression. SOP means sum of products expression. So today's class we will be continuing the next topic, that is max terms. So let's get started and let's check what is max term. What is all about max term, product of sum, and how to construct a truth table, all those things. So today's class will be max terms, how to form a max term, how to prepare a truth table, and if time permits we will be discussing POS expression. We will be learning to write a POS expression. So let's get started and let's check out what is a max term is. Max term. So as we know that minterm means product of a literal. So minterm is the product of literals and max term is sum of literals. Literals with or without a bar. So minterm ಅಲ್ಲಿ product of sum find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Product of all the literals. Literals means x, y, z, like that we are taking the logical variables. So where max term is sum of the literals in a logic system. So for example, in a max term, if a variable say x, it represents a value as if x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, it will be represented as x, and if a variable x is equal to 1, it is represented in max term as x bar, reverse of minterm. minterm ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ minterm. So what is a max term? Max term is a sum of literals, whereas minterm is a product of literals. 1 markige there will be a question asked, what is a max term? So max term is a sum of all literals in a logic system. ಒಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಲಿಟರಲ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, we call it as a max term. Fine everybody? Yes. So now in a max term it is just the complement of minterm. So max term is the complement of minterm. So complement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0. So here if a variable is 0, it is represented as it is. If a variable is 1, it is represented with its complement. So let us try and write a expression in max term. For example, say x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. So So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. Imagine in a logic system, x value is 0, z value is 0 and y value is 1. And now we need to write the max term expression. As I told you, if a variable is 0, it is represented as the same. As max term is a sum. Sum means we are putting plus. Okay. Min term is a product. So x, y, z anta baridivi. X, y, z is nothing but x dot y dot z. So here it is sum. Hagagi we will put plus. X plus y is 1. If a variable has 1, it will be represented with its bar. Then plus z. So this is the max term for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. So what is a max term? Max term is a sum of all the literals in a logic system. A literal can have a bar or without bar. So here you can see a literal without bar. Here you can see literal with bar. Why? Here x value is 0. 0 is represented with the literal itself. If y is equal to 1, if a variable is 1, it will be represented with its bar. So it is x plus y bar plus z. Let's try one more max term. Let us take one more example and then we'll try to write the max term. Say for example, so x is equal to, say we are taking w is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. So w is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. Now let us try writing the expression, max term expression for the same. So it will be w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z. This is the max term representation for the expression w is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. Fine everybody? Hope you are understanding what has been explained. Let me just explain max term again. See, max term andre, as we know that in Boolean algebra, there are two important types of expressions. Boolean expression. Boolean expression can be expressed in two different expressions. One is min terms and max term. Min term andre, it is product of all literals. Okay. Max term is complement of that. So which is sum of all literals. So here we can see in a max term, if a variable is 0, it is represented as it is. If a variable is 1, it is represented with its complement. So if x is equal to 0, it is represented as x. If x is equal to 1, it is represented as x bar. So now let us try writing a max term expression. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. For this literals in a logic system, the max term we will be writing here, that is x plus x bar, y bar. Why y bar? Because y ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಬರಿ, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 0 ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರೆದಿವೆ. So now we are trying to write a max term expression for this, where w is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0. So the max term expression for the same would be w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z. Clear everybody? Understood? So this is the way how we write a max term expression. When we join multiple max terms, when we combine, when we join max terms, then this that will release a POS expression. So POS expression is formed by combining many max terms. Multiple max terms in a combine ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will be getting a POS expression, product of sum expression. So for example, by combining multiple max terms, a product of sum expression is formed. For example, so we have x bar plus y bar plus z, and there is one more max term, say x plus y plus z bar, and if I have to join both the expressions, so x bar plus y bar plus z ANDed with x plus y plus z bar. So this is called POS expression, or it is called product of sum. These are sum, and we multiply. When we have to join, we join it with a dot, that is product. So it is called product of sum expression, or it is called SOP expression. So hope you have understood this product of sum and max terms. So let's get started, and let's get started to write the truth tables. Kindly write down the question. Construct a truth table with two variables, max terms and designated terms. If you recall, we shall construct a truth table for two variables along with the max terms and the designated terms. So construct a truth table for two variables, max terms and designated terms. So now we will learn how we can construct a truth table with two variables. So as we know, there are two variables, x and y. Then we have max terms and the designated terms. As we know that if there are two variables, there are four possible values of input. So x can be, y can be 0, 1, 0, 1, x can be 2 zeros, 2 ones. And the max term for each combination will be x plus y, x plus y bar, x bar plus y, and x bar plus y bar. So this is the way how we can construct the truth table for max term. As we know that in a max term, if a variable is 0, it is represented with the variable itself. If a variable is 1, it is represented with its complement. So here you can see x is 0, y is 0, so we will be writing 0, x plus y. So similarly, x is 0, y is 1, so it will be x plus y bar. Yake y bar baribeku? Because y is how much? 1. 1 idre illi bar hakbeku. So similarly, we have x bar, because x value is 1 and y is 0. Here both are 1, so we are putting x bar plus y bar. Fine everybody? Now, the next column is the designated terms. As we know that min term is represented with a small m, max term is represented with a capital M. Capital M0, capital M1, capital M2, and 3, like this. So in min terms we use small m to represent the designated term. In max term we are using capital M. So which will represent the max term representation of the variables. Fine everybody? Hope you have understood. Kindly you try constructing the truth tables. So draw 4 columns, 2 variables, and then followed by the max term, that is the max term for the combination of inputs. Then we have the designated terms. So now, clear everybody? Kindly go through once how we have made the combination of values. So this is the way how we construct the truth table for 2 variables. Hope you are following what has been explained and understanding how we can construct a truth table. Now let us construct a truth table for 3 variables, max terms and the designated terms. So same thing. So we will use truth table for 3 variables. So construct a truth table for 3 variables, max terms and the designated terms. So 3 variables we can take x, y and z. So as we know that if there are 3 variables, each variable will take 2 values, binary values 0 and 1. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. There will be 8 possible combinations of inputs. So Z can be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Y will be 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Z will be 4 zeros, 4 ones. Now let us write the max term expression. So it will be x plus y plus z So all are 0, x is 0, y is 0, z is 0, it is x plus y plus z. And now x is 0, y is 0, z is 1. So x is 0, y is 0, z is 1. Then x is 0, y is 1. So x is 0, y is 1 and z is 0. Then we have 0, that is x is 0, y is 1 and z is also 1. Now x is 1 plus y is 0 and z is 0. Then x is 1, so we will put a bar on x. Then y is 0, so we will put y, and z is 1, so we will put z bar. Then we have 1, 1, 0, so it is x bar plus y bar plus z. Then all are 1, so it will be x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Fine everybody? And the designated terms will be M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So there are totally 8 terms starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 3 variables, 2 to the power of 3, there are 8 combination of values. Fine everybody, just go through the table again, truth table again. So we have 3 variables x, y, z and a max term, then the designated terms. As we know that you know how to construct a truth table for 3 variables. So already now kaltidivi alva. So you know how. Last variable always the easy method is 0 1 0 1, y will be 2 zeros 2 ones and z x will be 4 zeros 4 ones. And we know that 1 idre bar hakbeku, 0 idre as it is baribeku. So 0 idre, all 3 are 0, so we will write as it is. ಎರಡು zeros ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, z bar. So here we have x is 0, y is 1, so we have put 1 bar and z is 0. Now x is 0, y and z is 1 1, so we are using the complement of that. Then we have x bar, y is 0 and z is 0. Then here we have x bar, y and z bar. So here 2 are 1, x and y is 1, so we have put 1 bar. All 3 are 1, we are putting bar on all the 3 variables. The designated term starts with capital M, and then as we know that min terms, the designated terms are represented using small m. So here it will be capital M. Kindly go through the truth table and try constructing by yourself. So this can be asked for the 3 variables, it can be asked for 2 marks or 3 mark question in your annual exam. Construction of truth table for 2 variables or 3 variables or 4 variables with max terms can be asked, or min terms or designated terms. Let us try constructing a truth table for 4 variables, max terms and the designated terms. So 4 variable, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So there will be 16 combination of values. So let us take w, x, y and z. So let us take max terms. So here we have 4 variables and there will be 16 combination of values, and so let us start writing the input values for z. Z will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So y will be 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. X will be 4 zeros, 4 ones. W will be 8 zeros and 8 ones. So let us write the max term for each. So it will be W plus X plus Y plus Z. So W plus X plus Y plus Z. W plus X plus Y bar plus Z. So W plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar. So w plus x bar plus y plus z. So w plus x bar plus y plus z bar. So w plus x bar plus y bar plus z. So w plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar. W bar plus x plus y plus z. W bar plus x plus y plus z bar, because there is one here. Then w bar plus x plus w bar plus x plus y bar plus z. Then w bar plus x plus y bar plus z bar. W bar plus x bar plus y plus z. Then so it is w bar plus x bar plus y plus z bar. Then w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z. W bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar. So LLE 1 is here, you put a bar. Where there is 0, write this. Next, the designated term, as you know, capital M, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So as there are 4 variables, 16 combination of values. So starting from M0 to M15 there will be total 16 terms. So this is how we construct a truth table for 4 variables. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.